Hi there, it's AJ here, and today I've got a quick tip for people that are using Godaddy and want to forward one of their park domains to the website. It's all pretty easy. I'm going to give you an example here. I have a website called fijitraveltips.com. Now I've got several other domain names that are fairly similar, so if I look for another one that I've got which is called Fantastic Fiji, if I go to visit that site, which is a park domain with Godaddy, it redirects automatically to fijitraveltips.com. Now, how to do this? Very quick and easy. First of all, you're going to log into your Godaddy account, and then if we click our name up here and we go to the quick links and we're looking for managed domains. Now you'll see the list of all the domain names that you own, and that's websites that are live and also ones that are parked. So you can just scroll down to the one that you want to redirect, and you'll click on these three little dots here and choose the Manage DNS. Now once you get onto the next page, there's a whole heap of stuff here with records, and you don't need to worry about those. Just scroll all the way down to where it says forwarding. Now in my case I already have it forwarded, but if you're just starting off and you haven't done the forwarding yet, you're going to see something like this. It'll say not set up, so click the add button and select whether it's going to your HTTP or HTTPS sites. So then you type in the name of your domain, put it on permanent 301 direct, forward only. I don't recommend using this with the masking, and choose the update my name servers, and once all that's done you'll have the blue button to save. It's greyed out at the moment because I haven't filled in the details, and that's pretty much it. Check back in an hour or so to see if it's redirected. It can take a little while, but as long as you put in the correct details here, then it will redirect. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, then you can subscribe to my channel and click this icon to get notified about new videos. And of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.